Okay guys, I have been putting off doing my lip drawer declutter for a very, very long time at this point. I did the rest of my makeup collection, I think in like August or October, I don't know, sometime a while back in the fall. And I haven't touched my lip drawer yet, so I have some time to kill before I have to leave for my grad school classes this morning, so I figured I'd go ahead and declutter before I left. So I'm gonna go through things, get rid of things that are too old or that I never wear, and yeah, clean out my drawer, make my life a little less cluttered. So first things here, I have this Victoria's Secret Plump Pout Tinted Balm. I have had this for a very, very long time. I think I got this for my college roommate's wedding. Like, she put it in a little gift bag thingy that she made for us, and I've never really used it. She got married like, what, 4 years ago, something like that. So that's gonna get tossed. Also, really strange here in the front that I pulled out of my collection at one point. This is the Nude Stick Magnetic Matte Lip Color. I feel like I got this in a Sephora Playbox, maybe. This is like straight up brown, and it's kind of old. It's like dried out. You can see in the thing that it's smaller. It is brown, and it looks really weird on the lips, so that's gonna get tossed as well because it's old anyway. I don't know where to start. Let's start over here. So I have random containers in here that can definitely be taken out that don't need to be in there. All right, let's start with this because this also needs to be tossed. This is a Benefit Hoola lip gloss. There was like a set of 4 of these, I think, that came out all together that I liked actually, and then I just never reached for. I don't think these even still exist anymore, but these were actually really, really nice. I just didn't reach for them, which was maybe not the best choice. So this is super old at this point. I've probably at least 5 years old, so that's gonna go. Along with that, in the vein of super old, is this Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick. This I got a really long time ago. It is a really pretty color. It's like this really pretty purple color, which I didn't end up using all that often. I wish I would have used this more because it was really pretty, but this is at least 6 years old at this point. I need to throw that away. So we're starting off strong with lots of things getting thrown away. That's great. Not at all making me feel bad. Towards the front here, I have this item. This is the NYX Ombre Lip Duo. I don't know why I thought that this would be cute. I think I bought this online because it looked cute in theory, and I needed to spend a certain amount to get free shipping because that makes sense when you're just gonna waste the product anyway, right? But it just does not look good on me. This pink is way too vibrant, and this pink is way too light. I probably should have returned it after I got it and it didn't work, but I didn't. So I'll see if somebody wants that because I've never really used it. I just swatched it and it was not cute. Let's start in here. So I have a couple of these L'Oreal lipsticks that I got from Influencer that I actually really, really like these for the most part. I have, this one is Masterpiece, which is like a pretty nude color. That one I'm gonna keep. I actually like these quite a bit and the formula is really nice. And then this one is Blake's Red, which is actually a really pretty red. I don't wear red often, but my sister had like a 50s theme party where we dressed up and I wore this and it lasted all night. It was amazing. And I actually really liked it a lot, so I'm gonna keep those. This one though, this one is He Thinks He's Macho, which is like a brownie nude. It's just not generally a look I go for, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if somebody else wants that one because it's not necessarily for me. I have 2 of these Bite little lipsticks. I've never bought a Bite lipstick, but I got samples. So this one is Chai, which is actually a really pretty color. That's a nude color that I would wear. I should move that to a drawer, a top drawer, so that I'll actually use that one. And then Kimchi, which I will never wear. This is like this bright, vibrant pink. That is so not me. I'll see if somebody else wants that one since I will probably never use that. I have this Miraness Kissy Gloss something. That one's all right. It's like a nudie color. I could use that as a mixer one, so I'm gonna keep that for now. And then I have this PBJ Smoothie Stick. That one's a pretty wearable color. I'll keep that for now as well. I need to reorganize these drawers somehow so that I can see everything. This one is the High Voltage Lipstick in Flutter Kiss. These I actually really, really like. I haven't worn this one in a really long time. I kind of forgot about it, but it's a very nice neutral color. That one I need to move up to the top too, so I use it. I have this Clinique Black Honey lipstick. These are actually really nice. This one I tend to use as a mixer one, but it's a nice lipstick. I'm a big fan of those actually. I have this chapstick Total Hydration in Rose Petal, which has like a tint to it. That's fine, I'll keep that for now. And then I have this Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick. This one's in Pink Grapefruit. I'm gonna see if somebody else wants that one since I have kind of similar ones already going on. I'll see if somebody else wants that because I haven't reached for that one. And then I have these like little mini lip balms that I have from Fortune Cookie Soaps, I think is where these came from. So that one's like a tinted one. That one's like a pink one. I'm gonna move those down with my lip balms. I have a couple of lip balms that I reach for regularly in the morning. So if I put those there, maybe I will use those up. This is another one of those high voltage lipsticks in Wine and Dine. I actually really like that formula. It's not a color I go for often, but I do like the formula a lot, so I'm gonna hang on to that as well. I have this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. I think this came from like a Target or Walmart beauty box. Oh my gosh, I can't even get the, oh my god. The applicator is much bigger than I anticipated. That's fine. Oh my god, why? That's fine. The applicator is hard to get in and out. I don't tend to always reach for lip glosses, and I'm not sure how old this is, honestly. I feel like I've had it in my collection for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and toss that since it's a lip gloss and it's not as easy to sanitize. I'm gonna get rid of that. Back here, I have another one of those Too Faced Melted Liquid Wear lipsticks. Again, these are so pretty, but this one's crazy old, so I'm gonna toss that. I have this Too Faced Fun and Fetty Lip Gloss. I forget that I have that. I got it in a set from something from my mom. So I'm gonna hang on to that. I need to reorganize these somehow, but I'll figure it out. I have this NYX Butter Gloss in Maple Blondie. I have had this one, and then I have this one in Peaches and Cream. I'm pretty sure I've had both of these for a really long time. I got rid of a bunch of them a while back in another declutter, and I think I've had these for a really long time. I bought some new ones recently that were in colors that I wear more often than these two, but I think these are really old, so I'm gonna go ahead and toss those because I'm pretty sure I've had those for a really long time. Same thing with this. This is the NARS Orgasm Lip Gloss. I just don't tend to reach for this, and I got it in a swap or a giveaway or something, and it's really super shiny, and it's just not my thing, and I've had it for a really long time at this point. Oh my god, I'm throwing so many things away, but that's okay. They're old. I have this NYX Intense Butter Gloss. This is not something that I ever reach for. I don't know why I got that. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea, because that's a real bright pink that I never ever wear. So we're gonna get rid of that one too. All right, so that's a lot of lip products that are no longer in that drawer. So that's a good thing, I think. All right, so now on to this mess of a drawer here. Okay. Again, I'm going to start with these lip products that are super old. This is the CoverGirl Lip Perfection Jumbo Gloss Balm. This one is, I don't remember what this color is. I always had to look them up. I used quite a bit of this one, but there's still a ton of product there. But I've had this one. I think I used the other one that I had of this up in a project pan, like one of my first project pans like 5 years ago. I'm gonna go ahead and toss that one because I've had it forever. Same thing with this one. This is crazy old. This is the Revlon Just Kissable Balm Stain in Honey. There's a ton of product left in this one as well, but like the packaging is all worn off. I've had this for a very long time. So I'm gonna get rid of that as well. Same thing with this one. This is a Tarte Lip Surgence. I don't think they even make them in this formula anymore. And I never really wear this one, so that's another one that's gonna go in the trash. All right, then I have these CoverGirl L'Oreal. These are the lip liners that match those lipsticks that I have. I actually like all of the lip liners. So there's a red one, and then more a nude one and a brownish-ish one. I like all of those, so I'm actually gonna keep all of those. And then I have this one, my sister-in-law gave this to me, so this is CoverGirl Lip Perfection in Seduce. It's a little bit on the peachy side for me, and it's not something that I reach for very often. I'm not big on lip liners most of the time. I really like the formula of those. This just isn't my style, so I'm gonna see if somebody else wants that. Then I have some ColourPop lippy sticks here. This one is a lippy stick in LBB Matte, which is a really pretty dark burgundy color. I don't wear dark colors often, but I really do like these lippy sticks. This one is in Flawless. Again, I really like this one. This is one of the little travel ones that has a lip liner and a lippy stick, so I'm a big fan of that one. This one is in Scandi, which is like this really bright pink. I don't know who I'm kidding with this. I'm never gonna wear this, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that, see if someone wants that one. I have a couple here of these Maybelline color blurs. These were amazing, and I don't think they sell them anymore. So I have one in My Magenta and in Berry Misbehaved. I wore one of these for my wedding in a more like neutrally pink color, and I lost it and I can't find it. I wish I could because I actually love these. I wish they still made them. I'm gonna hang on to these because I really like that formula. I have this NARS lip pencil in New Lover, which is like kind of a shimmery pinky color. This one I don't think is very cute. It's like this weird like shimmery pink color that I really don't like, and I've had this in my collection for a long time, so that's gonna get tossed. I have this e.l.f. pencil in Wine. I can't, which seems to have melted. What's happening here? Okay, so I'm gonna toss that one because I don't know what happened to it, but it somehow got like melted and destroyed, so I'd never really worn it anyway. That's fine, that's fine. All right, I have this LOC, or Love of Color Punchline lipstick. It's glossier than I expected. It's more of a pinky color. I thought it was gonna be more red. I might play with that one a little bit. That's one that I've never really done much with, so I'll probably play with that one a little bit and see. This one is a Bite lipstick in Glacé. It's a matte lip cream. I haven't really used that one much. I'm gonna move that up to my try out lipstick thing up top. Here is a NARS lipstick in Rakugian, which is more of a neutral. That one I will probably wear more often than the other one I just swatched, so I'm gonna hang on to that for now. I have this Urban Decay Super Saturated High Gloss Lip Color in Glinda. This came with the Oz palette my mom got me a long time ago. It's more of a brownie nude, and that one I've had for a really, really long time. I'm gonna go ahead and toss that one as well, because it's not one I tended to reach for, and it is pretty old at this point. I have this Too Faced cream lipstick in Sugar Fairy, which is just a very peachy nude. I'll hang on to that for now. A couple of these Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Suits, which I actually really, really like these. I haven't worn them in a while. They're the drier matte ones, but I liked them a lot. And then I have a bunch of these little Jouer matte lip creams, which are not my favorite formula. I am kind of running short on time, so I'm not going to go through those right now, but those are ones that I think I will play with over the next week or so and then declutter as I see fit if I don't like them, because I do need to get rid of some of them. Some of them will not work for me, or I just don't really like all that much, and I've had them for a little while now, so I should get rid of them. I have this Tarteist lip paint, which I actually like quite a bit. It is very matte, but I like to use it as a base layer and then put something on top of it. So I'm gonna hang on to that for now. And then I have this Tarte lipstick in Set Sail. This one is just a pretty neutral. That one I could probably use up pretty easily. So I'm gonna make this my like more liquid lipsticky drawer, I think. I'm going to make this my lip pencil drawer. And that my more traditional lipstick type drawer. Oh, I have this one too. This is the Too Faced La Creme Drenched Lipstick. This one's in Unicorn Tears, which is like a really pretty topper that changes the way that your lipstick looks. So I'm gonna take that out of the box and put that over there. I don't know why I kept the box. And then I have this CoverGirl Magenta Minx lipstick. I'm gonna get rid of that one. I'm never gonna wear that one. And then over here I have this Huda Beauty set. So it's got the Huda Beauty pencil. I should take these out because I never use them because I forget they're in there. So it's got the Huda Beauty pencil, which I'm gonna put in the liquid lip drawer and then put these in there with it. I feel much better than that. And then I have these Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipstick samples that actually look kind of fun. I am going to keep those for now, and then I have some chapstick stuff up here. There's that. It looks significantly better than it did. I feel actually much, much better about how this looks now. I didn't realize I was gonna have to throw so much stuff away. I didn't realize how much stuff I had, but this is much more manageable, and I'm much happier with that. All right, while I'm at it, I have a couple of things that were sitting up top. I went through my everyday makeup drawer a little while ago, but there are a couple of things that I'd stuck up there that I've been testing that I don't love anymore. So this is a Maybelline lipstick in Luminous Lilac. I got this in a swap a while back. I don't know how long that person had it, and at this point I've had it for a really long time, so I'm gonna toss that one because I don't really feel comfortable wearing it on my lips anymore after that long. And then I have this L'Oreal Lilac pencil. I just hate the smell of this. It smells so gross to me. and at this point I've had it for a couple years and it's just, I don't know, it's not worth keeping. So I'm gonna toss that as well. All right, so this is all the stuff that I'm tossing, which is just horrifying. That is so wasteful and that makes me so sad for myself. I am not gonna buy as much lip products is what I'm learning from this, because I have all this stuff that just completely got wasted because I let it sit around for too long. This is a much more manageable amount of stuff and I feel okay with that. These are the things that I am going to see if somebody else wants. There's not a lot here, but I'll see if somebody else wants those. And then this is what I'm left with. I will go through my Jouer ones over the next week or so and decide which ones need to stay and which ones need to go from there. But I'm so much happier with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter. If you want to see some more, I will leave a playlist linked at the top in the cards. I've done a bunch of these over the last few years, so we're making progress slowly. I'm becoming less of a hoarder slowly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.